These beautiful things that I collected right now today. It's Tuesday in the Philippines. A very semi-precious stone here. Look at that beautiful thing. They're smaller but so much love and beautiful inside and outside of this rough diamond. Look at this rough diamond. The translucent beautiful thing, and also this one. So much love. I love a collection of stone just like this. A jasper one. Yes, it's so brown. This painite. Hello, painite. And this shurak. The beautiful looks like stony, like very earthful stone. Look at that. Another stony. And this kind of rock. Wow. With a red fine lights rough corundum. This kind of diamond that dig from a very deep clay soil under the ground. Just found it today. Yes. And this one, hello, this one is so much love also. Wow. This kind of wonderful thing around some are meteorites. As we all know that meteorites are rock from this space. Was so lucky to have one of them. This kind of rock. Do you know that inside of this one is a translucent, such like a diamond? So I may call it as a black diamond also, although it looks like a meteorite, a sun and moon rock, because of this kind of rare rough black lines. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.